Hi everybody, tonight's dinner is going to be lamb chops, some squash, and some brown rice and quinoa. A little bit of a cheat because I'm using the 90-second one, but it is organic, and the ingredients are water, whole grain brown rice, several different kinds of quinoa, less than 2%, sunflower oil, sea salt, garlic powder, dehydrated garlic and onion, minced garlic, parsley, and pepper. Those are the only ingredients, so all that is all stuff that you can pronounce and you know what it is. I'm going to start by putting that in my microwave for the 90 seconds that it says to put it in. So I'll just hit my 30-second 3 times. My grill pan is nice and warmed up, and I'm gonna get my lamb chops. Let's see, I paid for the lamb chops $16. Not too bad, not super expensive. I'm gonna give this pan a spray or two of some olive oil, just because I'm in that olive oil kind of mood today. Nice hot pan, nice grill sound. So I'm gonna get some lemon. I have some garlic powder. I don't use a lot of seasoning in this because the lamb itself has some good season to it. Let's see what else we can give it. Just a wee bit of salt. Put the cover on for a moment. And I'll flip those in a little bit. In the meantime, my rice is ready, and I will be able to put my zucchini in. We'll take the rice out. Let that sit there for a moment. Put the zucchini in. I'll put this in for 3 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to flip these over. Nice grill marks on it. And a little bit more lemon. A little bit more garlic. I'm going to throw a little bit of my spice rub on this one because it's got some Italian seasoning in it. And I usually like to put some oregano on these. I just ran out of oregano, so I'm making do with what I have. Okay, so that's going to be ready in about another 2-3 minutes. In the meantime, my rice is ready, and I've got about 2 minutes left on my zucchini. And as my thumbnail today, I'll show you the finished product. And there we have our dinner in about 10 minutes, as you could see.